Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and it is time for my very last video of May 2025, the Show Us Your SheetLoad / Happy Mail video. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what came in my P.O. box during the month. Sometimes these are examples of the latest sheet load, other times these are cards just because, but at all times they are treasured. I love to see what my subscribers are creating and reading your notes. If you're ever interested in sending me either a card for the Show Us Your SheetLoad feature or Happy Mail just because, my P.O. box is listed at the bottom of the description box below, and also down there under the related videos section is a link to the updated Show Us Your SheetLoad guidelines video, which tells you how you can share a card for the end of the month video or share online. I hope you'll check that out if you're interested. If you would like to see what subscribers and creative team members are creating with the May 2025 SheetLoad of Cards, you can always search for those special hashtags at your favorite social media sites. Let's go ahead and get these envelopes opened up. Before we take a look at the cards, I did want to stop by for a special channel member shout out. I would like to say welcome and thank you to my newest paper trimmer level member, Erica Most. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you as well to all of my channel members. You help to keep me creating here on YouTube and SheetLoad of Cards free for all subscribers. If you're ever interested in learning out more about the perks of channel membership, you can click on the join button below this video or check out the link in the description box below. Up first today is a card from Patricia D of Texas. I just love those lemon papers and the fun bright colors. Kim G from New York sent me this floral thank you card. I love the various pattern papers and ephemera, and you are so welcome for those recent wins from my channel. Allison K from Texas extended my birthday month into May with this beautiful birthday card. She used the May 2022 SheetLoad for the layout. I love all of the shine on this. And speaking of keeping the birthday love going, Steffi from Germany sent me this card with a happy birthday note on the inside. She used the April 2025 SheetLoad of Cards, and I love how that piece on the right, even though it is flat, with the highlighting it makes it look like a rounded button. And this card from Jeanette R of California is another birthday card for me that also uses the April 2025 SheetLoad. I love how she has used vellum for the tag, and thank you so much for the gift card. I'm going to treat my daughter and I to a treat this summer. Andrea S from Michigan sent me this lovely thank you card. I'm loving the layers, especially the one that is die cut with that deckled edge and the sparkle of the background matte. Thank you so much for the card and for the contribution to my channel. I will be putting that into my prize mailing fund. Thank you so much. Charlotte B from Texas made this card for a recent episode of Craft Roulette, and it was to make a card for an influencer. Not only do I love the card, but I love that image. It almost reminds me of the self with the hair color and the glasses. Make sure if you haven't yet seen my daughter and I on Craft Roulette from last weekend that you go and watch that replay. I will have it linked down in that description box below. These next two cards from Barb S of Florida might look a little familiar. She sent me a similar one last month, and I mentioned how I wanted to give this technique a try, so she sent me a couple other examples and told me exactly where I could find the tutorial. If you're interested in finding out, I will link this website, and it's reallyrobinstamps.com in the description box below. Thank you so much for the extra cards and the tutorial info, Barb. Thank you so much to everyone who took the time this month to send in a card. This really is one of my favorite videos to make. A smile comes across my face every time I open an envelope. Until tomorrow, when I will be back with the June 2025 SheetLoad of Cards, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.